everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing super duper fine. Today I'm going to talk about one of my most favorite brand, and the brand which I'll be talking about today, that is Earth Rhythm. So Earth Rhythm is India's first homegrown brand that invests clinical trials and research, and this particular skincare brand is absolutely mindfully crafted and the safest for your skin. Their skincare products are 100% effective, and the formulas of these products are specially created in-house by the most efficient cosmetic chemists. Earth Rhythm promises dermatologically tested, approved products, best customer service, clean and clinically effective products, cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and eco-certified products. Currently, Earth Rhythm has launched with their huge collection of exfoliators and scrubs. Well, that includes scalp, body, face, and foot. And I have got in my hand two of these face scrubs from Earth Rhythm. So the first scrub is turmeric and prickly pear face scrub, and the next one is face scrub oatmeal and ceramides. Both the face scrubs retails for rupees 249 each, and they contains 100 gram of products. So firstly, I'm going to talk about the packaging part of both of these face scrubs. So both of these exfoliators come in a bright solid colored tube-like packaging. Earth Rhythm uses raw environmental friendly products for their packaging, and they are 100% biodegradable. I loved the cute packaging. Oatmeal and ceramides face scrubs is lightweight plus removes Grime plus hydrates and softens our skin. It contains oatmeal, ceramides, walnut shell powder, aloe vera juice, and the consistency of this particular oatmeal and ceramides face scrub is on the thicker side. Next, I have the turmeric and the prickly pear face scrub. It is also lightweight plus removes cream plus unclog pores. It contains turmeric, prickly pear, walnut shell powder, and aloe vera juice. This particular face wash has a very jelly-like consistency, and I think a jelly-like consistency face scrub is very easy for application. So now comes the most interesting part of this video, that is demonstration. So I am taking the Earth Rhythm face scrub, turmeric and prickly pear on the right side of my face, and I am taking the face scrub, oatmeal and ceramides on the other half of my face. Apply the scrub on damp face and scrub in gentle circular strokes, focusing on areas like upper lip, neck and nose. I'm going to give my face a very light-handed massage, and yeah, I am absolutely feeling nothing on my face because the face scrubs are absolutely lightweight, you guys. I am pretty in love with this face scrubs. Now it's time to wash off this face scrubs with lukewarm water and pat it dry. So now my skin feels really lightweight and very soft and supple, just like a baby skin. The texture of my skin has become so smooth, and I think all the dried skin and all the dead cells has just vanished away from my face, which is really a plus point, and I really loved using this face scrubs from Earth Rhythm. So guys, do not miss to add this to babies in your cart, because once you start using it and applying it on your skin, and after using it, you are going to see absolute effective change in your skin. I'm sure you're going to love this brand. You're going to love their skincare products just like me. So that's all for today's video. Hope you really enjoyed today's helpful and informative video, and if you really did, then please do like, comment, share, follow all of my social medias, and do not forget to hit that bell icon all to stay notified with all of my upcoming videos. Do subscribe my channel because it is absolutely free but means a lot to me, you guys. So thank you guys for watching me. Love you, take care, have fun, and just stay tuned with my next video. Bye.